Hey you, the small apartment owner or operator, we feel your frustrations. Don't worry, we got your back like a car seat. We know you would like to have access to digital systems and checklists just like what the big operators use. But because your apartment is 50 units and less, you are considered to be like dust to the industry's technology opportunities. We know you want to avoid using paper for inspections and maintenance. Would you agree that with paper, it can, number one, make it difficult to determine whether you're comparing apples to apples? Number two, could get damaged. Number three, can be hard to read. Number four, it is impossible to compare trends. Number five, difficult to control which items are routinely inspected, how often they are inspected, and whether items are consistently photographed. Number six, can't drill down immediately to individual on-site inspections. Can't see if one of the inspectors has logged in an item as a replace instead of what should be repaired, or vice versa. Number seven, can be hard to find when you need it for resident disputes and legal defense and insurance purposes. Number eight, you can't identify and correct problems in a timely manner because issues and costs aren't immediately reported. Number nine, you're unable to accurately budget for repair and replace items. And number 10, you make poor inspections workflow that isn't tracking critical data points. We are here to help you operate small but think big. Sign up right now with Small Apartment Inspector now. When you do so, you will prevent failure of memory. You will prevent failure of attention. You will prevent failure of disorganization. You are our only focus. You are no longer a neglected small owner or operator.